What's going on, everyone? So here we are. We're doing a little, I guess, trial of the Bartesian, the portable bartending drink that I have here. It does dispense different kinds of cocktails, but as of now, we got 5 different flavors. We got Long Island iced tea, gin martini, Uptown Rocks, Margarita, and Cosmopolitan. So let me turn around here. Let me show you what it looks like. Different flavors. Okay, so we went ahead and put some in the fridge, so when it comes out, it's ready. So I had one request for Long Island iced tea, and we're gonna surprise Marta with something here. She did mention she like margarita, but I think she loves gin martini. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and set it up. First off, we're gonna work on the Long Island iced tea. Okay, so what it is, you get it, your pod, you open it up, you put it just like a Keurig, right? And you close it. Okay, and it's gonna go right here. It says that, and it tells you to go ahead and put a highball glass with ice on there. So we're gonna do that. We got the highball glass right here. Couple ice. And put the highball right there with the ice. And it says right here, it says press next. Press next. Okay, so make sure that it has rum on there, because this one right here doubles up. Is you can either put gin or rum on there, so they share the same slot on there. So rum spot installed, check, right? So let's go ahead and press next. Then it asks you how do you want it. Do you want mocktail, pretty much a virgin, light, regular, or strong? And based on the last one, Rosie wanted it on regular, so we go ahead and keep regular, press mix, and there you go. So it's mixing all those different alcohols. You got rum on there, you got vodka in there, and also it has whiskey getting mixed up in that. And okay, and that's it. That's it's that easy. It's that fast. Okay, and ooh, it's really strong. So okay, we'll have this here waiting, and we're gonna get Marta her drink, or our surprise, I guess, because she wants us to surprise her. Getting her gin martini. Okay, so put it in here. Okay, we close it up, and automatically once you put it in there, you could read the barcode on there. You'll read the barcode, and it tells them what kind of drinks in there. So it tells you got a lowball glass with ice under the dispenser. So it's gonna be like a little bit of like a shot thing. Unfortunately, we don't have that right now, so we're gonna go ahead and use this is wine. Sure, why not? Okay, we'll use this one. Okay, so we're gonna put it there. Oh, let's forget the ice. I know he wants ice on there, but where's that? Okay. Okay. Then we go ahead and press next. Gin. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, the rum. Okay, angle it a bit and then pull up, and there goes the rum right here. Then we'll go ahead and reach over for the gin, which is here. Put over to that slot. Boom. See the bubbles right there? It means it's putting gin in the system. Okay, verify that we did change it. Go next, and we're gonna go with regular strength, and go ahead and make the mix. and it does have a countdown on top there. Okay, cheers, enjoy it. Okay, so we got those 2 drinks. Let's go and put it at the table. Oops. That's why you're watching TV. Okay, that's that. And I got myself, I wanted to try Cosmopolitan. I never had one before. So, there it is. And it's really good though. It's really good. So good. So, yeah, so we tried 3 out of the 5 different flavors that we have here. So we'll go try the other 2 later on. So, hope you guys enjoyed the little show, and see you guys next time.